How you going? Mick at Diggermate here, and in this video I'm going to give you some tips on how to properly batter a bank.
Want the best rates on mini excavators and tight access earth moving equipment? Go to diggermate.com.au and get it done with Diggermate.
So your first step is to find your position. That means coming right up to where you're going to work and make sure that your boom stretches out to the furthest point that you're going to start your batter from. Always make sure that the boom is as far into the batter as you need to go, and you can work back from there. So now that you're in position and your machine is level, it's time to do your first cut. Now when you do your first cut, you need to make sure you get the actual depth to start with. So go down as deep as you need to. You might need to do one or two or many more cuts to get the actual depth that you need. So you're at the right starting point to then batter the bank across. When learning this technique, don't be in a hurry to get full buckets full of soil. It's okay to do small buckets when you're learning. The important thing is remembering to control your hydraulics. So get that level nice and smooth. Fill in any holes or divots you can to make sure you get your first cut nice and level, ready to move on with your batter. It's a good idea to keep a pile of soil when battering a bank because you might need to use it later on to fill in any holes or any divots that you've got in your batter. So there are several ways you can use your bucket to get your level. Obviously here we're using the underside of the bucket, or you can use the bucket blade as well. So once you've got your level, then you move the machine to your position number 2 and start battering your bank across at the level that you've just cut. Now, as you move across your batter, make sure you finish it all the way to the top. You don't want to have to go back and clean things up in your bank. So make sure that in every stage of your batter, you're cleaning it up right from the bottom all the way to the top, so you've got a finished project as you move across the batter. So there are several techniques on how to batter a bank, and conditions are always going to change. Today we're working in very soft soil, but when the soil changes, the technique may have to change as well. But the most important thing is to get your level right, take it slow, control the hydraulics, and practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. To get the best prices on machinery hire, book machines, see specs and availability, go to diggermate.com.au. If you found this video useful, please be a mate of ours and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the share link below and share this with your friends and give us a thumbs up.